Well, it's 9 in the morning and I'm at Seaside Bed Breakfast Inn, and this is the side entrance. It's got 3 levels, as you can see. So it's a beautiful place to stay, and where we're going to go is take a walk down to the beach. And here's a sign. And I'll show you the cool-off pool later, but right now we're just going to do a beach walk all the way from this bed and breakfast to the beach, and here we go. The B&B has 2 private homes that they also rent out with suites in them, so you go online and you can see your options. So here's the roadway, and during the day it's quite pleasant. At night it's very dark and you should have a good flashlight, and they do provide one. And the downside of it is it gets mucky, so you really never can just wear good shoes. You have to wear sandals or flip-flops and then change into better shoes if you need to. So now we're going to take a walk. So here in the middle we've got like a marshy area, and at night you can hear the tree frogs, or after a rain you can hear frogs. And there's a house in the middle there somewhere. And 1 minute down the road is West Bay Divers. They're highly rated, and their dive shop is here, and it's a 1 minute walk to the beach. It's pretty early in the morning, so not much traffic or anybody happening right now. They're getting ready to go out. You can hear them pumping the air, and they've got wheelbarrows loaded with their gear. People are doing trip planning. And that's the office, and you can get PADI certified here. So now we're going along the walkway here to Beecher's Restaurant. So the total walk from the B&B is about 5 minutes. And this is a great feature of Beecher's. They have washrooms and showers where you can totally clean up after going snorkeling and hear the divers. And that's why that walkway is paved, because it's used by the dive shop. So you just go into Beecher's and get a key from the restaurant, and here we go now to the beach. Here at Beecher's Restaurant, the B&B has an arrangement where you can use their chairs for free, their loungers, and you get a chair and umbrella. And normally to rent a chair on the beach is $15 US a day. So that's quite a nice savings. And right next door to Beecher's is a souvenir shop plus drinks. And then inside here is a great mini market where basically they have everything you need, from drinks, pasta, ice cream, whatever you need. Roa Market grocery store, and they do take credit card. And now next door is Beecher's. So you've got the 3 signs up here. Beecher's Bar and Grill, they have lots of things happening at night. West Bay Divers, and the Roa grocery store. And here, folks, is the beach, and it's pretty quiet now because it's only 9 a.m. Cruise ships haven't arrived yet, or they're just disembarking. It's very lush around here, as you can see. And if I'm taking the road away from the beach, it eventually links up to the main road, but it's quite a walk. It's faster to go along the beach or take a water taxi to where you want to go if you don't have a rental car. Here's a walkway down to the little road that we take down to the beach. And here's a view of the balcony from below. Lovely vegetation everywhere. It's 2 floors. Huge 2-bedroom suite upstairs where the owner used to live. And here's a view of a casita that you can rent. It's a 1-bedroom. It has a private balcony, which is lovely. Here's the cool-off area of the pool. It's just the right size to have a nice cool-off. We've got loungers, and what's beautiful is we have all this vegetation giving lots of shade. When the trees were lower, you could see the ocean, but they've grown in now. Here's a washroom attached to the pool area, and now it has a very lovely, large balcony area shared for all the guests. Barbecue, hammock, sitting area, outdoor kitchen in the back there, more sitting area, huge balcony, and this used to be a private home at one point, and now it's a bed and breakfast. There's definitely more breeze on the second balcony. I would sit up here. There you are, view of the pool down below. They have banana trees here, papaya, all kinds. Star fruit. Here's a view from the third floor. And in the evening, if you're lucky, you'll see macaws sitting in the trees here. To the left, a little almond tree, but I've never seen them close up. Someone's house next door. Beautiful vegetation for privacy. And you can take a walk up into the hills, which I did, to the lighthouse area, and the beautiful views up there. And a view of the ocean. And I guess the view was much better before these trees kept growing. So it's spectacular. Roatan is a special place.